Hi, my name is Vidas, and today I will show you how to get started with Teamhood, a collaboration platform for professional teams. What you see here is a list of workspaces, and each workspace can belong to a different team or a specific group of work. We will also create a new one based on one of the 11 templates that we already identified as a common use cases. And each month we keep adding new ones, so there's a vast possibility and potential for your business to use Teamhood for different approaches and processes. I will pick one called Engineering Projects, and I will show you what's inside this template. Now, each template or each workspace has a number of views. The most important view is board, and you can have as many of those as you like. Each board is structured in columns and rows, so you can define work statuses as horizontal axis, and then you can define rows as just groups of work, or you can name them as resources. It's up to you actually. We leave it quite flexible. So these boards can have different structures on its own. And for instance, in here I have planning board, project group A and B boards, which can be used by separate project teams, and finally archive, where we will put everything that is finished. Now to start working, let's create our first item card, and I will just name it Project A. These item cards can be anything you like: a task, a project, a user story, an appointment in the future, or just a customer information. In each card you will find powerful options to supplement information. Let's start by putting in some schedule for our project. Then let's define a list of tasks that are required to be finished, so we can say that our project is done. I will also tag a customer that this project belongs to, and I will attach a small specification document. I will also make myself as an assignee in this project, so I'm the one who's responsible, and I will leave the comment to my teammates. Now, when we have everything described, we can start moving our item card via this process. Each column can be color-coded and have a title. This will work as a documentation of what you need to do to make sure you successfully finish your work. When we move it to the last column, we see that it says ready for moving to the other board. This is a very powerful concept in Teamhood. And now you can push this item to the next board. This board has a different structure. It's an execution board. It even has a special column which creates swim lanes, and it expands child items. So they become task cards themselves. And we can again add all the information just like we did before, and it has infinite possibilities to structure your projects, control level of detail, and visualize what people are working on, even distribute and delegate smaller pieces of work. When everything gets finished, I can finally move my project to quality assurance. And now if I do this, and somebody says, all right, this is finished, I can complete it. And now it's ready to be moved to the archive. But boards are not only views that you can find in workspaces. In this template, I also have timeline. Let's see how that works. I will create a new project and I will set a new schedule for it. Alongside, I will put a dependency, which I will call customer agreement. And before it gets finished, I cannot start my project. To visualize that, I can go into timeline and say that customer agreement is a dependency. I can color code it and I can connect it with my project. So it is nicely documented here that customer agreement goes first, and then if I open project B, I see that it's waiting on the previous item. Color coding also helps people to identify separate work types or ideas. Everything in Teamhood is visual. Even if I say that there is late task, which I will put a bit behind in schedule, And if I go to my dashboard, a dashboard view will instantly tell me which work is late, how my team members are doing, how many items I have completed in total, and many more information when you progress. I will also find File Attachments view where I can discover all the relevant attachments related to my workspace. So in Teamhood, everything's visual, easy to use, and flexible. I think you will find it really useful and easy to learn. If you want to learn bigger and advanced features, look for more videos from us. Thank you for watching.